But I want to answer Susie's question when she says she wants to get rid of the ads that come under the brush drop down menu here. Okay. I don't know how come or if they actually appeared, but typically you can hide them like this. And those are not new at all. They have been there in this particular drop down since version X8. So that's 6 years or so ago. So that's the only place where you have those. It's here, and you can hide it like that. I know it is annoying to get ads, and I get ads also when I close the program. I also get ads once in a while in the corner here. And I agree, they are kind of annoying. And some people will say, well, I already paid for the program. Why should I get ads for something else, for CorelDRAW or Video Studio, or why would I get an ad to upgrade if I have 2020, for example? Yes, it is annoying, but when you watch TV, you have ads. When you have ads, what's the worst that can happen is that you have to click on it to get rid of it, or it will show for 5 seconds. And sometimes you do get a good deal. For example, if I close my program, like right now, I have 2021 open. I thought it was 2022. Interesting. And if I close it, we see I get this upgrade for 35, oh, Canadian. So I don't know, that would probably be $29 US. So yeah, I have those ads. They're annoying, but I can live with it. Hey there! I hope you found this information helpful. If you're curious to dive deeper and explore more about PaintShop Pro, we've got a wealth of resources waiting for you in our membership area. There, you'll find in-depth classes, workshops, Q&A sessions, and much more to help you enhance your PaintShop Pro and digital scrapbooking skills. Feel free to check it out. The link is in the video description below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the campus!